We're making carnivore tortillas that are soft and fluffy and flexible. Let's go! These carnivore tortillas are so easy to make. You literally throw everything into a bowl, mix it up and fry. They only require 2 eggs, unlike some other carnivore recipes, and require no gelatin. Well, there's gelatin in the flour, but that's another recipe. Hold up. For my guys and girlies that suffer with ADHD like me, I've found something that is amazing. It really helps me be productive, and it's helped me to really focus on the task that I have. Have you heard of Magic Mind productivity shots? They reached out to me and decided to sponsor this video, and I'm so glad they did, because as an ADHD sufferer, I took these shots and I was really able to focus, remove the distractions, and basically walking around in circles sometimes. While I can attest to productivity and really being focused with this product, I was able to do a cartwheel when I was little, but now at 50, I can't do a cartwheel, so I can't attest to any physical improvements. Okay, this is how I received the Magic Mind package, and this is what it looks like. Okay. In the box is 15 of these little bottles, and they are actually productivity shots. There are a few ways to consume your Magic Mind productivity shot. Of course, straight. It tastes fruity and tropical. It's not unpleasant at all. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I have a discount code for you. Click into the description box down below and you'll get the discount code and the website. Right, back to these tortillas. The nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box as well. Let's get into it. Start off by adding 2 eggs to a bowl. My egg weighs 105 grams, then a 1/4 cup or 60 grams of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup or 45 grams of melted butter, a pinch of salt because these tortillas do need a little bit of seasoning, and I've got here a 1/2 cup of the carnivore flour. Now, to make your carnivore flour, click on this link now and you will get the recipe. And my 1/2 cup weighs 55 grams of the carnivore flour. Now, to add baking powder or not to add baking powder. If you don't add baking powder to your tortilla recipe, you're going to get the flat type of wrap type of tortilla, but I want these to fluff up just like regular tortillas. And now we whisk this all together and you will get a very thick batter, right? We need to thin this out because when you are frying your tortillas, you want that batter to spread really easily. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water to thin the batter out and mix again. Okay, and that's how it's way more watery. That's exactly what we want. Now we're ready to fry. You're going to need a good non-stick frying pan and a lid. I'm just going to grease my pan with a little bit of butter. Okay, right now I don't have any heat on, and I'm just going to add 1/3 cup of the batter, and then I'm going to swirl it around. Set your burners to a medium heat and then cover the pan, and that's going to sort of contain the heat. When it looks like this, you want to make sure that you've loosened your edges. Then flip it over. Just going to check the other side. That looks cooked to me, and I will keep going until all my batter's done. How do they taste? They're pretty bland tasting. They have a slight chicken taste, and I find it delicious because most of the time when I eat tortillas, I'm using it in a savory dish. They actually refrigerate really well. I wrap mine in cling wrap or beeswax paper and refrigerate for up to 3 days, or you can freeze up to 3 months, but do defrost naturally. I hope you get to try these carnivore tortillas and do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.